In this video, we'll be conducting a quiz on airplane. Let's jump into the quiz, and if you enjoy it, don't forget to subscribe and share it with your friends. What is the primary function of an airplane? A. To drive on roads. B. To sail on water. C. To fly in the sky. D. To dig underground. Take a pause and choose the correct answer. Answer C. To fly in the sky. What part of the airplane is called the body of the plane? A. Wing. B. Tail. C. Fuselage. D. Cockpit. Take a pause and choose the correct answer. Answer C. Fuselage. Which force helps an airplane lift off the ground? A. Gravity. B. Lift. C. Thrust. D. Drag. Take a pause and choose the correct answer. Answer B. Lift. Who is the person that flies an airplane? A. Engineer. B. Pilot. C. Stewardess. D. Mechanic. Take a pause and choose the correct answer. Answer B. Pilot. What do you call the area where the passengers sit in an airplane? A. Garage. B. Cockpit. C. Cabin. D. Engine room. Take a pause and choose the correct answer. Answer C. Cabin. What is the part that controls the direction of the airplane? A. Engine. B. Wing. C. Rudder. D. Window. Take a pause and choose the correct answer. Answer C. Rudder. What is the name of the moving strip on which an airplane lands and takes off? A. Highway. B. Runway. C. Rail. D. Dock. Take a pause and choose the correct answer. Answer B. Runway. What does the airplane use to generate thrust? A. Propeller or jet engine. B. Sails. C. Wheels. D. Hand pedals. Take a pause and choose the correct answer. Answer A. Propeller or jet engine. How do planes stay up in the air while flying? A. Magic. B. Wings creating lift. C. Large fans blowing air. D. Balloons attached to them. Take a pause and choose the correct answer. Answer B. Wings creating lift. What do you call the lights on an airplane that are used at night for visibility? A. Reading lights. B. Navigation lights. C. Headlights. D. Spotlight. Take a pause and choose the correct answer. Answer B. Navigation lights. What should you always do before the airplane takes off? A. Stand up. B. Unbuckle your seat belt. C. Buckle your seat belt. D. Open the window. Take a pause and choose the correct answer. Answer C. Buckle your seat belt. What is it called when an airplane lands from a flight? A. Takeoff. B. Flight. C. Descent. D. Landing. Take a pause and choose the correct answer. Answer D. Landing. Which part of the airplane holds the luggage in flight? A. Cabin. B. Tail. C. Cargo hold. D. Wing. Take a pause and choose the correct answer. Answer C. Cargo hold. Which airport area do passengers go to board the plane? A. Control tower. B. Runway. C. Boarding gate. D. Hangar. Take a pause and choose the correct answer. Answer C. Boarding gate. What is the purpose of the airplane's wings? A. To store fuel. B. To hold luggage. C. To generate lift. D. To house the crew. Take a pause and choose the correct answer. Answer C. To generate lift. What instrument do pilots use to measure altitude? A. Speedometer. B. Altimeter. C. Thermometer. D. Compass. Take a pause and choose the correct answer. Answer B. Altimeter. What does the black box in an airplane do? A. Carries passengers' luggage. B. Records flight data and cockpit conversations. C. Controls the airplane's speed. D. Stores fuel. Take a pause and choose the correct answer. Answer B. Records flight data and cockpit conversations. What do airplane engines burn to create thrust? A. Water. B. Oil. C. Jet fuel. D. Electricity. Take a pause and choose the correct answer. Answer C. Jet fuel. What system in the airplane is responsible for maintaining pressure and oxygen levels? A. Hydraulic system. B. Electrical system. C. Environmental control system. D. Landing gear system. Take a pause and choose the correct answer. Answer C. Environmental control system. Which of the following is a common type of commercial airplane? A. Airbus A320. B. Ford Model T. C. Titanic. D. Space Shuttle. Take a pause and choose the correct answer. Answer A. Airbus A320.